Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get unbanned on the Yubo app. So if your account has been banned on the Yubo app but you don't know how to get it unbanned, or if you want to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you can do is that you may simply install the Yubo app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you need to simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And there may be various reasons behind that your Yubo app is being banned. Then there are various explicit content that have shared during the live stream, and you may also have streamed while driving, or bullying, harassment, and all of the disrespectful behavior are also the reasons for your account suspension. So you just need to appeal a suspension request by going on the help center of the Yubo app. So simply open the Yubo app on a device, and from here you just need to click on the option of live at the very bottom right, and here click on the option of the profile icon at the very top right, and click on the settings like icon again. So from here click on the option which says help at the very bottom of the screen, and it says I have a question. So click on it and click on the option of contact us at the very bottom of the page, and from here you just need to enter your email address, your username, and the type of request which you are facing, and from here you will also select who you are. So if you are a Yubo user, you may simply select it from here. If you are a parent or a legal guardian, you may simply click on it, and you just need to give a description for the problem which you are facing. So you just need to type to the Yubo support request team by saying that you just want to get your account unbanned, and they will help you to unban it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.